Hello everybody, welcome to the Goodwill. I enjoy going to the Goodwill because sometimes we get good deals here. Even if it's a holiday, they're still open. Look, they still got some old VHS tapes. This copy of Gettysburg. Look at that, it hasn't even been opened yet. Brand new. 99 cents. I got Top Gun. See that? Top Gun. Of course, if you have an old VHS tape, you need a VHS player. Here's one right here. Stick the VHS tape in there. We've actually got two VHS tape players. Look at this. This is a VHS and a DVD combo. Here's a Chia head. You see? An old-fashioned Chia head. You put the seeds on his head, you put water on there, and it grows to a lush thing like that. Chia head. This thing is $4. Where are these guys? You know who they are? I don't know. The name on the back. Three old white guys that nobody knows. Here's a Hello Kitty stuffed toy. Look at that, huh? It's a Philippine shirt. Look at that. Philippines rides. Cruising the streets with style. Look at this G.I. Joe action figure. I can't believe somebody gave that away. It's a crewman from the USS Constellation. It's under glass because it's expensive. Must be worth $200, $250. Look at this Star Trek USS Enterprise model kit. You got 3 ships in one. The Next Generation, the original series, and the original movies. See what it looks like here. Oh wow. It's still unbuilt, uncompleted. Wow, that's nice, eh? Look at this old camcorder. Wow, look at that. Look at a giant camcorder. Remember when camcorders were this size? Jeez. Gigantic, look at that. Can't believe camcorders were once this size. You put it on your shoulder like that. Or you shoot like that. Can you imagine vlogging with this? You know? Like that. Hi there, we're vlogging from the Goodwill. Walking around vlogging with this thing. Wow. That's huge.
Alright everyone, welcome to the Fashion Center at Pentagon City, here in Virginia, in the Pentagon City area. It's a big sprawling indoor mall here just over the Potomac River, across the river from Washington DC. And sometimes I come here to shop and to eat. Well, mainly today to eat. I'm going to eat at this place down in the food court called Yong Kang Street, where they have really delicious ramen. So let's go down there and have this delicious ramen that I am speaking about. here's yet another sign that winter is over, that summer is over, or at least almost over. It gets dark earlier now. It's about 7:30 right now, and as you can see, it's getting quite dark. 2 or 3 months ago, at this time, it would still be light and bright and sunny. But now, look, it's dark and it's getting cool, and that's how you know.
The next day.
Me want the cookie. Me want cookie. 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 Me love cookie.
Eight hours later.
8 hours later. Whew, that took a while. We are back at Costco. I always get caught behind the lady. It takes a long time to check out. Because she only had American Express. And as we all know, here at Costco, you can't pay by American Express, lady. Come on!